Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working here guys on a Chevy Cruze and we'll show you how to remove or how to replace the lights guys for your license plate tag on Chevy Cruze. You have two lights, one of them may go out, maybe both of them go out. Check out guys. We'll stay with us and we'll show you how to do that. Quick introduction, we have more than 200 videos guys on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video for all that work that we do here at the shop for you guys. If you want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can purchase parts for your car, bulbs, anything guys, for a really good price and extremely fast shipping. Now, this is it guys, 2015 Chevy Cruze, but it will work, you'll work on the whole first generation from year 2008 to year 2016 I think, when they ended doing that. So what you need to do, you can see that's where, your license plate light bulbs are, or also known as tag light bulbs. We'll demonstrate on one of them, no need to waste your time, the other one is the same way. Get a Phillips head screwdriver guys, and you have two screws that you need to remove. Okay, perfect. One is out, just one more now. That glass will start coming off, so I'll just hold it with maybe one finger so it doesn't drop. Okay, great. Now if we grab that glass, it should come, and not just the glass, the whole assembly will come out. You can see this is guys the bulb. Now, how you remove it? Pretty simple. Turn that thing counterclockwise, pull out. This is guys your bulb. This is the license plate bulb holder. Grab and pull it. Careful not to break in your fingers guys, because that glass is fragile. Always use gloves. We'll grab the new one and we'll replace it now. So we'll go ahead, push the new bulb in. You need to install it now on the holder. Okay, let me just flip that away so you can see. It goes only one way guys. So find the slots. Okay, just turn it until you guys find those holes. Can't be that complicated, right? Okay, perfect. And install it. Just clockwise now, clockwise. Okay, perfect. So now it goes that way. Remember how we removed it, and all we have to do, we need to guys install the two screws just in reverse order we took it apart. And stay with us, we're going to turn the lights on and see if it actually works, both of them if they work now, because this one was out and don't want to get a ticket or anything like that. So while we're getting them tight, what I'll do, I'll go inside and I'll turn the lights on. I don't even have the key I think. Let me see if it's gonna work and see if those things will actually turn on. Yep, they do. Both of them work perfectly fine. So thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.